Right, so quick review on my Azula cross draw holster for my Uberti 3.5-inch bird's head grip cattleman. I had the hardest time finding a holster for this, but Azula has basically, and I'll put a link to the website, has a drop-down menu, and you can pick the exact gun in the exact size of the barrel, the maker, and pick a holster specifically made for your gun. And this baby fits perfectly into the holster. Paid $50 for the holster. It's very well made, and I'm very happy with it. And snug as a bug, and the it just seems very well made, and it's just a beautiful piece of work. All right, so it fits really good on my belt. This is a normal size belt, and it just fits the gun perfectly. It fits great. I feel like I could jump up and down and do some work on the farm. Fits great. So thumbs up.